Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a route to the Circuit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Add Route. Here you should type in the route name, which is optional. Then select when will you drive this route. Here you can select from these preset options, or you can also pick a date here. Tap on Confirm and click on Create Route. So now, as you can see, your new route has been added and created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.